Nights colder than the steel, living where the shadows talk, telling me what's real. No family, no fallback, just the echo of the block. Sirens singing lullabies while the cops circle the spot. Jail bars taught lessons that the streets never could. Every friend turned ghost, every promise burned for good.
I walk through the fire with nothing to lose. Every scar on my story is the truth I didn't choose.
Behind the veil, where the lost ones roam, where the night feels heavy and the streets feel home. I've been fighting these demons with a heart of stone. Yeah, behind the veil,
I survive alone.
cold nights, bad habits, trying to outrun fate. Drugs in the alley, hope slipping through the gate. Police lights flashing like a warning in the sky. But I learned long ago that angels never fly. Every step, it's a gamble, every breath is a war. But I keep pushing forward like I'm built for something more.
I walk through the fire with nothing to lose.